Hello guys, this is a tutorial video on how to log on onto the Yango Pro app. So when you launch the app, you allow every permission the app requires from you. So you allow this, you click on next, then you allow again, you continue, and you enter the number which was used to register the Yango Pro app for you, or which was used to activate your account. So you enter the same number there. And after entering the number, a verification code will be sent to you. So for instance, this. And you make sure you enter the same thing there. Then now you are asked to do some things in your account, or you're asked to upload your profile. So you just click on the camera side, you turn on the camera, you click on got it, okay. Then you select a nice picture of yours, and when you select the picture, it will upload the app will upload the picture for you, or the picture will be uploaded there. Then before you can go online, there are some certain things you need to do. So you need to do all before you can go online. So you click on the go online button, then you click on pass driver's license photo check. So you need to do this. So what it requires from you is to upload your photo, your license front and back, and you holding your license. So this is you uploading the front first. You just take a picture of it, you send. Then you do the same, then you hold the license, then you take a picture, then after that you submit. So it means you are done with the driver's license photo check. Now there is something called activate at least one service class. So this is a test you must take every day for you to be able to go online. So now you click on the activate the driver's the test first class, the first class service. Okay, so you just click on it, then click on the courier, the padlock there, then you take a test. So a video will be shown to you on how to use the app, how to accept other orders, and how you can deliver them. Then you click on rate for couriers, select courier. The video is about to show. Click on start.
How to make deliveries. Hello, welcome to Yango, your main tool for delivery orders. Let's take a look at how it works. On the main screen, you'll see a map of the city and two buttons, Online and Driver Profile. Open your driver profile to see your daily earnings and the number of orders you've completed. Here, you can keep track of your rating and activity level. Your rating is your personal indicator of quality in the service based on Yango user ratings, and it affects your access to orders. Your activity level is an indicator of your performance based on how often you accept, decline, or cancel orders. Activity affects your access to orders and bonuses. Keep these indicators high to maintain access to orders and bonuses. To make deliveries more convenient, you can also choose which navigator you like most in the settings. Now, let's go back to the main screen. Tap the Go Online button. You got an order. You have 13 seconds to accept it. Tap the Accept button. The order card opens. Check all the order information, including the instructions. Please note that all orders must be delivered door to door. You can also call the sender from the order screen to clarify information about the address. Follow the navigator's route on the way to the sender. However, you also need to keep in mind information about the address in the app and what the sender tells you. After you reach the pickup address, walk to the sender. If you can't find them, use the button on the order screen to contact them. If the sender doesn't get in touch and you can't find them, you can cancel the order after 10 minutes. When you reach the sender, swipe Arrived. Pick up the item and swipe the Item Picked Up button. Now you have a button to communicate with the recipient. Call and tell them when you'll arrive and the order price. When you reach the recipient's address, walk to them and swipe Arrived. When you reach the recipient, give them the item and swipe Item Delivered. If you can't get in contact with the recipient, wait 10 minutes. During this time, try calling them 3 times. Then the Return button will appear on the screen. Tap it and go back to the sender. This is the only way you can complete the order in the app. The trip back to the sender will be paid based on the service class. If the Return button doesn't appear, there's a button in the order card to contact support. Tap it, explain the issue, and wait for further instructions. So now you've handed over the item to the recipient. If the order is for cash, accept payment from the recipient and give them change. Some orders may be paid by card. In this case, the money will be charged automatically and added to your Yango Pro balance. Contact your taxi company for the payout schedule and conditions. Tap Complete. Here, you can see the screen with order price information. After you complete the order, your activity score increases. Tap the arrow to see it, then tap Continue. All that's left now is to rate the user.
Tap Send.
Congratulations! You completed the order. Now you're almost done. Delivery item information. All items will weigh less than 20 kilograms. Items that require special transportation conditions or items that dirty their surroundings can't be sent. Money and jewelry, plants, animals, weapons, drugs, and any other illegal items are also prohibited. Remember these main points. To start getting orders, tap Online. When you're offered an order, you'll have a few seconds to tap Accept. Always look at the address details and instructions on the order screen. They might contain important information. If you need more information, call the sender or recipient. You can use the navigator in the app. Items need to be delivered door to door. Don't forget to notify the recipient about the order price and delivery time in advance. You can contact support on the order screen. Now you know enough to start completing delivery orders with Yango. Happy deliveries!
So after you are done with the video, now you need to take a test. So the first question is, the recipient didn't accept the parcel. What do you do? So when the recipient doesn't accept the parcel, first thing you need to do is you call the sender, the one you took the parcel from. Then you have to return it to him or her. So this one you click.
when are you required to call the recipient the first time? So for you to call the recipient after you've taken the order from the sender, you need to call the recipient to inform. So only if the recipient doesn't arrive at the delivery point. When you arrive at the delivery point, as soon as you pick up the order, you need to call the recipient. So you are offered to deliver a dog. Do you accept? No, because we don't deliver dog on the Yango platform. And you're offered to deliver an envelope of money. Do you accept? No, because we don't deliver money too. The recipient isn't responding. However, you and the sender can't agree on the return. What should you do? Now you need to contact support for further instructions. When should you activate the delivery bag? So when should you activate the delivery status? So after you had hand over the parcel to the recipient, after the recipient door, after you inform at the recipient's door, after you've informed them that you have arrived, after you park next to the recipient's building. So this, then in which cases do you need to walk up to the door of the sender and the recipient for the, so it is always, it is a door-to-door delivery. When can you find address details, for example the sender's entrance number and floor? So with this one you can get it at the order card. When you scroll down you see everything. When should you activate the arrive status? After you've parked next to the sender's building, after you at the sender's door, after you inform them that you have arrived. This, the sender doesn't open the door for you. What do? You contact support for further instructions. I think that's all. So when you are done, you click on next. Then the app will behave like this. So you need to close it, then open it. Then you allow next. So that's all. So this, you go to the settings, you come to the location, always, you come back. So you restore your GPS. Then you allow next. So that's all. So this, you go to the settings, you come to the location, always, you come back. So you restore your GPS. So it says go to a more open area so we can update location automatically. So you can close it. Then you open it. So now it says that you can get more trips request. So for now what you need to do is your GPS, if it is on, let's get it off. So as soon as you step from here, then it means you'll be getting orders. So for you to go online, you just tap on the go online button, then you are ready to accept orders. So from here orders will start coming. Or if you want to go offline,